Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix liquid detected in lightning connector issue that is happening on your iPhone over here like this, and how we can fix it. So let's get started. So what you need to do is, if you're having any kind of waters and moistures over here on your iPhone, it might give you this error. So if you wanted to completely get rid of this, we have first a method called manually. What you need to do is just need to take any kind of napkin or any kind of towel or something and just use your phone like this, and you have to keep on doing like this. Right, you have to do like this. So what happens is, if any kind of waters or any kind of moisture that inside it might completely come out, and as you can see, it might drain out it, so it might fix up. So you can try connecting your charger and you have to check whether that's going to work or not. But if that's not going to work, then what you need to do is we have to try the next one. That is all about, you have to keep your iPhone to evaporate, in the sense you have to just keep it somewhere else, just keep it over there and just wait for, what happens is the waters might get evaporated. For that it might a lot of time, so it might take around 6 hours or something. So you have to wait for till that, and even if you have any kind of an emergency, you are not going to do that. So if that is the case, if you wanted to get a solution that going 100% going to work, and also it's going to get rid of the issue, and also it's less consuming, what you need to do is you just need to take a bowl. Just take a bowl, and what you need to do is you have to keep iPhone to that bowl over here like this. And once you keep the bowl over here, like inside the bowl, just make sure that your iPhone comes under the bowl very properly. Then what you need to do is you just need to pour the rice over it and make sure the iPhone is at the bottom and completely cover with the rice. And once you cover with the rice, afterwards you just need to wait around hardly 10 to 20 minutes. What happens is the rice will absorb all the water on your iPhone, and the rice is having such a huge capacity in absorbing the waters. It's kind of general physics, and what you need to do is just wait for it, and you have to take it back, and this time the issue will be completely fixed up. You don't have to wait for 6 hours, you don't have to do any kind of air dry or send anything. Just do like this, just use the rice method, that is going to work, and it is 100% going to work. You might kind of feel like it is awkward, or you might kind of feel like it's funny, but it's not. It's 100% going to work, and you can try this out. And that's what it is when it comes to how to fix this. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. That's it. Bye.